Mishimelon.
Let's put each letter in the correct place. J, e, t, j, e, t, jet. It flies high. Let's make another word. J, a, j, a, jam. It looks so yummy. There is only one word left. J, a, g, j, a, g, jog. Great! All the words were made.
Kitties, amazing! Wow!
Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, Z, E, B, R, A. Zebra! Amazing! Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, Z, I, P. Zip. Do you have a jacket with a zipper? Move the right letter to the right spot. Z, P, I, Z, Z, A. Pizza! It is delicious! Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. R, E, D. Red. The shoe is red. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. Y, E, L, L, W, O, W, W. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. B, L, U, E. Blue. The car is blue. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. R, U, N. Run. I can run. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. I wonder where all the color in the detective's room went. Let's color the picture according to the letters. It looks much better. Great work, partner!
Some words are missing a sound at the beginning. Let's fix it. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound.
K. A. B.
Cab. Great job. The cab is yellow. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound.
I. G.
Pig. Awesome. This pig is cute. Choose the correct letter for the beginning sound. Net. Well done. He fixed the net. You found all the sounds at the beginning of the words. Keep it up.
Do you already know how these words are spelled? Move the right letter to the right spot. U-S. Bus. You did it well. Move the right letter to the right spot. U-N. Sun. It is bright and makes any day warmer. Move the right letter to the right spot. U-D-O-N-U-T. Donut. So round and tasty. Mmm. Let's create some words from the sounds. Let's put the right letter into the right place. Hat. Hooray! Let's make another word. Map. Hooray! And the last word is cat. Great job. Let's play some card games with letters. Tap on the gift. This is the sound K. Choose a card that starts with the sound K. Awesome! This is a kite. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound oo. Choose a card that starts with the sound oo. Good guess! This is a lion. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound Choose a card that starts with the sound You are right. This is a monkey. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound J. Choose a card that starts with the sound J. Great! This is a jelly. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound H. Choose a card that starts with the sound H. Correct! This is a hat. Wow! You have found all the cards. Great job! Are you ready to meet the UN word family? Un. Move the letter to make up the word. F. Un. Fun. B. Un. Bun. T. Un. Ton. S-un. Sun. Great job! That was the UN word family. Today, we're going to make some more words. Let's put each letter in the correct place. did! Amazing! Let's make another word. King! You did it well. There is only one word left. Desk. Great job. These words have no letters. Let's fix them. Move the right letter to the right spot. W I W I. Kiwi. It looks very yummy. Move the right letter to the right spot. W I G. Wig. It looks fantastic. Move the right letter to the right spot. W T O W E L. Towel. So soft. Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. C A N. Can. The fish can swim. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. C O M M E. Come. Can you come hop? Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. F R O R. Four. A toy for a child. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. H E R E. Here. My book is here. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. Let's find the correct sounds that the words start with. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. B, b, g. Bug. Great job! The bug is sleeping on the leaf. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. T, 10. Awesome! I can count to 10. Choose the right letter for the beginning sound. D. D. Ah. D. Dad. Well done. My dad has a red car. Great job. We found all the beginning sounds. Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. D O W N. Down. Set it down. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. H L H E L P. help. I can help in the garden. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. J, U, M, P. Jump. I jump on the trampoline. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. M, A, K, E. Make. Let's make a cake. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. If only we could find a couple of dinosaurs. Let's color the picture according to the letters. Wow! It seems they are looking for dinosaur bones.